Wow! My gosh! Oh my gosh! That was a strong wind. Wow! Wow! Yeah. That was screaming. The kite would probably snap. The kite string would probably snap in half within the first few seconds. Anyway, there's extreme winds outside right now. Till the beginning of the video. Wow. Kind of surprised the tree hasn't uprooted yet. Yeah. Did you just hear the wind a minute ago? Sounds like a hurricane. Sounded like a hurricane outside. That was impressive.
What is going on, big Mr. Gus? I was watching a humorous comedy show. Well, check this out. Piece of Steve is getting in some serious free-will motion here. Yeah, I'm glad I decided to make this all.
And the clouds are starting to get dark now.